I am currently a nanny and a childcare teacher. I've been doing this for the last 14 years and I have a passion to work with children, so I thought I wanted to share that passion with others as well. My name is Gabi. I am the owner and founder of Nannies by Nature. It is a safe space platform where families can connect with better carers. It is definitely growing, especially because parents have the need to find a carer that is reliable, consistent, capable and responsible. And Australia and Sydney in general, there is a lot of children that are popping up around the Sydney area. I feel like it is definitely a business that is growing and the need for a capable carer is always there. I had a lot of experience with families and carers as well that were looking to connect with the other. I would say the biggest challenge was not understanding the basic things that happen at the beginning of the business, which is understanding the processes, the admin bits that come with it. I have done a lot of research. I have gone to a lot of meetings with Service New South Wales, for example, with people that I know that have been business owners and they have shared their experience with me, and it's been like networking nights like this that I have done that have really given me a big insight of how to overcome those challenges. Definitely trust yourself, trust the process, don't overthink it too much. You have to have enough thought of what you want to do, but really push yourself, get out of your comfort zone and just do it.